Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open an HSA with Fidelity. First, ensure you have a high-deductible health plan, which is a key eligibility requirement. Next, visit Fidelity's website and navigate to their HSA section. You will need to provide some basic personal details, such as your social security number and current address, to begin the application process. This initial step is straightforward and sets the foundation for your new health savings account. After confirming your eligibility with a high-deductible health plan, the next step is funding your HSA. You can set up contributions through payroll deductions if your employer offers it, or by directly transferring funds from a linked bank account. Be sure to review the annual contribution limits set by the IRS to ensure you are maximizing your tax-advantaged savings. These limits help you plan your contributions effectively throughout the year. Once your HSA is funded, you can explore Fidelity's investment options. Unlike some HSAs, Fidelity allows you to invest your contributions, potentially growing your savings over time. You can select from a range of mutual funds, ETF, and other securities. It is important to choose investments that match your personal risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Regularly reviewing your portfolio helps ensure it remains aligned with your objectives. An HSA offers incredible triple tax advantages. Your contributions are tax-deductible, your investments grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. Plus, your HSA is portable, meaning it stays with you regardless of employment changes. This makes it a powerful tool for both current and future healthcare costs. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Start your Fidelity HSA today to take control of your health savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.